People think if India had evaded colonization in the 18th century, today it could have stuck in the same old system, wouldn't have railways, and would have remained a backward society. But that seems an oversimplification. Many countries had escaped colonization but evolved and emerged into modern nations. Welcome to Pravyam Now. This is Pranav, and here are some countries that escaped colonization. Japan. After the Western powers compelled Japan to end her isolation to save themselves from the West's domination, Japan modernized and developed a constitution. Thailand. When the Thai monarch realized that the French and the British were encircling them, he decided to introduce modern education in his kingdom, and Siam emerged as modern Thailand. China. The Qing dynasty was removed and the nationalists and later the communists made China a modern nation. Iran. Persia came under foreign influence but maintained its independence, had its own political reformation during the Qajar and the Pahlavi dynasties. Turkey. The Young Turks resisted absolute power of the Sultan, and later the Ottoman Empire gave way to the modern Republic of Turkey after the First World War. Nepal. Nepal, a remote South Asian nation, escaped colonization and eventually caught up with the rest of the world. Thus, exchange of ideas, information and technology does not require a foreign occupation. India, being at the center of international trade, would have definitely caught up with the world, and being a multicultural society, democracy would have been an obvious choice of governance. Something like this happened in my story. Read Expedition to an Alternate Swarajya. Available on Amazon, Flipkart, Notion Press, Ingram, Kindle, Kobo, iBooks and Google Play.